everybody. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. We haven't been putting out much of videos over the last few days. We both have been under the weather a little bit with some flu and some other stuff, but it happens every year here. But today we're gonna try to at least go to the market, get us some fresh vegetables and some other things, and just come on for the ride, and we're gonna go there and see what we can get.
Yeah.
How are you doing, hon? A little bit fine, she said.
My voice is
Your voice is gone. Mine is a little scrubbly.
yeah, and I can hear also. I can hear my other ears.
Yeah, I tried to talk to her and she doesn't respond. I don't know if that's because of her hair or because she doesn't want to, but that's... All right, let's go. Alright, let's go do some shopping. We're just going up to a local market here.
Why is rotating?
I don't know. Speed bump. Yeah.
Yes, then away.
Right. There's just a little local market up here. And we're gonna go there and do a little bit of shopping today.
Yeah.
Anyway, it has been not only having flu, but it's been blistering hot here the last couple, 3 weeks. I believe yesterday we had 94, 95 degrees, and humidity is what gets you here. So.
Oh, man.
Stopper. He's gonna come back here.
What's that? Uh-oh. Robin.
What?
Traffic.
Yeah, it's a little traffic. When I came back from Angeles, it was really backed up.
What day today?
It's the 15th today?
No, day.
Wednesday?
Wednesday.
People smart.
Yeah. They can park on the other way.
You can park down here, I think. Where is that?
They're closed. Oh, they're still open.
Alright, so let's go. Alright, so this is a little dark in here, but I'm gonna go and try to get some food. Alright. Spinach leaves. Yeah, we're gonna get some. Huh? A little bit of everything. We're gonna get some onions, tomatoes. We're gonna get potatoes. A little bit of everything. You got spinach. You got spinach leaves. You have spinach? Spinach leaves?
Yeah, I think it's here.
What's this here?
I think that one.
Yeah, that's spinach leaves. All right, so
What else? What about this one?
yeah. Do you have a little bag for this? Calamansi?
Calamansi. What about this one, Han? Han?
Yeah, two. Get two of them. And how many red did I take?
4.
So, oh, it's okay. All right. So there you go. How's the carrots? Two of those.
About potato.
Yeah, potatoes. We're gonna get. We're gonna get some potatoes here too.
Wallet.
They're pretty nice potatoes.
Oh, yeah.
Wallet centron.
Garlic we have.
Yeah, we're still here.
Alright. They don't look too good. Maybe somewhere else.
What?
Yeah, these don't look good at all. Don't spin too much. Anyway, let's see about the tomatoes.
Tomato, there's a tomato over there.
Where?
Yeah, there's a tomato.
Here?
Yeah.
I don't know if they're any better.
Yeah, that one's better.
Yeah. Sometimes you're not lucky.
I'm sorry. Just put that one over here. Ano po?
All right, so let's see what we got. Do you have any lettuce? Lettuce? Yeah. Let's see.
Isang kilo?
How much? You have a problem hearing? Yeah. Well, that one. We'll take that one and that one. All right.
What else we need?
How much? We have the little red pepper, right? To spicy. Yeah. Hold this like that.
$150.
450.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What do you want? No.
No.
No. I'm not. I don't want to kill nobody today. Yeah. I got self-defense.
How about on the other side then?
How much is it?
200. How many kilos? 5 kilos.
No. If I buy one, it'll be 1 kilo and very little fat.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
1 kilo?
Yeah, I'll do 1 kilo.
Magkano?
200.
Big price eh.
Walang pa. Walang pa.
One more piece.
One more piece. Even 100. At 200. Okay, you get it?
That's good.
239. Okay?
239.
Yes. 239. No chop chop? No chop chop?
No. I'll chop it myself. Home in the kitchen.
My friend,
All right.
I need that one.
You need that one?
Oh, very barrel. And
Well,
then
you-
tomorrow you give.
No.
You be on YouTube today, later.
No. I borrow only.
No.
Give me free. Thanks.
No, yeah. It's a nice piece though.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Thank you guys.
Oh,
Thank
okay.
you.
All right.
Done.
Do we need anything else?
A
Let's
mango.
go out here.
There's a mango.
Yeah.
There's mango here. Background.
Is that the green one you want?
Yeah.
This?
Yep.
All right. So let's get a kilo. Is that also green mango? Or what is that?
Yeah, it's the same, this one, but that one is green one.
Wow. These are almost a little too much.
But this one is good.
Yeah.
You know why this one is good? Because you
How
see
much?
this one, no?
100.
A kilo. So that's about what? 3 in a kilo?
Ano?
Is that 1 kilo? The other one. One more? Huh?
Yung green mango, kuya, magkano dito yung Indian mango?
How much is the green?
40?
40? Oh no, you're expensive. They are 30 somewhere else, right?
Other one is 30.
Oh.
But that one is small.
What's the difference?
This one is big, that one is small.
Ah, small and big.
Yeah,
Yeah, but let's get the big one.
I like small one.
Huh?
It's easy to
Yeah,
remove
let's get the big one. Huh?
Which one?
Yeah, 2 kilo.
This one?
Yeah, let's get the big. Let's get the 2 kilo.
2 kilo for this?
Waiting, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That sounds good. Okay. Anything else?
No,
No. All right. So
banana.
let's go this side.
How about hot dog? Hot dog.
How
There's a
about
hot
what?
dog.
No.
No.
No, I don't want that kind of hot dog. I want beef.
Ah. It's fine, your hot dog is bigger than that one.
All right. So 1 kilo pork, carrots, yellow onions, red onions, cucumbers, lettuce, tomato, another cucumber. And this is what we call calamansi. It's a small little citrus fruit, kind of like a lemon, but it's even more sour than a lemon, in my opinion. but it's good when you put it on fish and a few other things. Put it in some of your gravy, or you make what they call sabao here. You have a little calamansi in it. And a bunch of mango. It's about 3 kilo of mango. 3 kilo of mango.
That's two different kinds of...
Yeah, there's different kinds too. The green one here looks like it's not, what do you call it, ripe yet. And let it sit for 2 or 3 days. They're still green on the outside, but they yellow up on the inside, and they become really sweet, nice and tasty. And the potatoes comes from Baguio, I think, and they have, in my opinion, amazingly good potatoes. So all this that we did go and get today costed us about 800 pesos. Convert that to dollars, it's about 16 US dollars. So it's the food prices here is one thing I am really amazed about, because a lot of times it's 50% or even less. I say I can probably, my food bill is probably 25% of 25% of what it would cost me to live in the United States and eat some of these things. Beautiful, great. And I'm going to do another little video, and I'm going to cook some of this tonight, but that'll be coming out maybe tonight late or tomorrow morning. For now, guys, thank you for watching. God bless. If you like our videos, hit that subscribe button, and we see you